November 19th, 2019. I'm Allie Idris.
And I'm Luke Reed, and we're bringing you your morning news here on the Daily Howl.
UAB campus tour will be on December 5th. Check Google Classroom for more information and to sign up. If you have already signed, please go to the form to add your name. Please see Ms. Shaw for the permission form.
Alright, you guys, please sign up for the blood drive. You can sign up online or with Miss Terry. Every donation saves up to 3 lives. The supply of donated blood is very low right now.
And let's throw it on over to Gage for our weather.
Good morning, Fayetteville. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. Today, your high will be 65 with a low of 39 and a 0% chance of rain. So that's about all I have to say, and now I'm going to throw it back to them with the rest of your morning news.
Thank you, Gage.
Alright, the FHS Key Club is hosting a canned food drive until November 21st. The homeroom class in grades 6 through 12 that donates the most cans will receive a non-uniform day on November 25th. In grades K through 5, the grade that donates the most cans will receive a hat day on November 25th.
And remember, a thankful heart is a happy heart. Show your thankfulness to a friend or fellow student today.
Alright, thank you so much for watching, and remember, you heard it first here on the Daily Howl.